Faster, Big Blue! Must press on! Oh, no! Well, don't look so grumpy. It wasn't my fault. How was I to know the road was so slippery? Oh, all right. Maybe I was going a little too fast, but... Pigs? The fence! They're getting away! Oh, no, you don't! Oh, drat! Stan.
Hello, Mr. Jones. Trouble?
Well, yes. Big Blue is stuck in the mud. But it wasn't my fault. No, not me. It was this rotten weather. And, I may have been going a teeny-weeny bit too fast, but
Oh, no, my fence!
Sorry about that. But I will fix that up for you. By the time we get finished, it will be...
Where are our pigs?
Well, they were playing in the mud, then they ran off. Sorry. I did try and stop them, really I did.
We'd better get after them.
But Stan, Big Blue...
Okay, I'm sure the pigs won't get far. Don't worry, we'll have Big Blue out of there in no time.
Oh.
Pigs! Oh, wow! Oh, that was close. Even for me. Oh, I'm all covered in mud. Oh, well. Now, what were Stan's pigs doing out here? Oh, and where did they go?
Right.
Are you sure about this, Stan? Big Blue is very, very heavy.
It will be no problem. Right, little red tractor. We'll have to be really careful here. Okay, ready? Come on, little red tractor. You can do it.
Just as I thought. Not strong enough.
Oh, no. This is going to be tricky. The water is quite deep. In fact, it's almost as deep as your trailer. I wonder if... Yes, I've got a plan, little red tractor, but it's going to need all your strength. I hope this works. Steady does it. This may just work. Almost there, little red tractor. Whoa! Come on, lads. Come on. That's it, fellas. Now, pull, little red tractor. You can do it. Atta boy. Just a little further. Brilliant. Well done, little red tractor. Got you. The lengths you two will go to for a bit of mud. That's it. Mud. I reckon Riverside Field is too clean and grassy for them, and all this mud has given me an idea.
What are they up to?
Wahey! Great job, little red tractor.
Oh, it's no good. I'm stuck fast.
What are we going to do now?
I don't know, Amy, love.
We could try walking for it. We're a lot lighter than Stumpy.
No, don't do it. What if you two sink as well?
Yeah, I guess you're right.
Go and get Mr. Jones. He's closest. And run! I'm still sinking. Oh, quick, Stan! I'm sinking fast!
Don't worry, Stumpy. We'll get you out of there, won't we, little red tractor? Let's hope this works.
Go on, Stan.
Yeah!
Wahey! You got me!
Get ready, Stumpy.
Right, I'm ready.
OK, little red tractor. We will have to be really careful here.
Oh, gently, Stan.
That's it, boy. Nice and slow.
Oh, the rope's starting to nip me.
Are you starting to move yet?
No, I'm starting to stretch. Oh.
Well done, little red tractor.
Oh, safe and sound. Oh, no. My boots are gone.
It really is rather splendid. Quite takes me back. Vroom, vroom. I wonder. Vroom. Oh dear, I can't stop. How do you stop this thing? Phew. Thank goodness it stopped. Mud. Very, very muddy mud. And I've still got my new shoes on. Help. Hello, help, 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 help!
Looks like he came this way.
There's a mud guard.
There's the exhaust pipe.
Oh. Well, if someone doesn't come soon, there's only one thing for it. I'm going to have to get my shoes dirty. What was that? Hello? It sounds like little red tractor. Over here! Help! Help!
Hello. Did you hear that?
Uncle Jasper, what happened?
Look, could you just get me out?
Whoa. I think we're going to have to tow you out, Mr. Jones. It's pretty muddy here.
I know.
You've made a right mess of the beach farm flyer, Uncle Jasper.
I know. I'm sorry. And I'm sure we can fix it when I'm out of this bog.
Here you go, Mr. Jones. Catch. OK, little red tractor. Steady as she goes. Sorry, Mr. Jones.